Hello beautiful family, welcome back once again to my channel. So in today's recipe I'll be showing you how to make this delicious oreo biscuits dessert. This dessert is so easy and very creamy to do, and you only need just 3 ingredients from this recipe. Without wasting much more of your time, let's get started. So here I have 1 pack of oreo biscuits and 1 tin of condensed milk. I also have here whipping cream, which I will be needing. So what I did is I separated, or I took out the cream from the oreo, and now I just place it on my food processor, and I'm just going to process this to very fine smooth powder. You can also roughly process this if you so wish, but I like mine to be this smooth, just like it is looking right now. So I just place this aside, and I'm just going to measure 2 cups of my whipping cream, and then I will whip this until it is very thick. So when you're doing this, just start slowly, then you can increase the power of the machine as you are doing it, because you don't want to splash the cream all over your kitchen. So I continue whipping until you get the consistency that you want, and this is how I want mine. I like it very thick. You can slightly whip yours also if you don't want it to be so thick. And then after that, I'm just going to go ahead and add just a half of the tin of the condensed milk, because I don't want it to be too sweet. But if you like it more sweet, then you can use a full can of the condensed milk. So just mix all together. Make sure all is well combined. So when doing this, you can use any biscuit of your choice. It doesn't have to be the same biscuit that I'm using. You can use different type of biscuit that you love. So you can see all is well mixed. Now I'm just going to go ahead and then just place it on my dessert bowl. So first you add some amount of the biscuit into the bowl, and then you go ahead and cover it with the whipping cream. Spread it all over. Make sure it is well covered. Just like so. So you can do so many layers as you wish. It depends the quantity that you are making. So I'm just going to do about 3 layers. And then after that, I'm just going to go ahead and place this in the refrigerator until it is well chilled. You can place it there for about 4 to 5 hours until it is completely cooled down, and then you can bring it out and serve. Also, you can also do this on a small jars or small plate, if that is what you have, or any dessert cup like this. I'm just going to use the rest that I have to put on this dessert cup, and then I'm just going to place it in my refrigerator also and allow it to cool down too. So this one you can do 2-3 layers, and that's it. This has been there for 5 hours, and yes, you can see everything is well chilled. The biscuit is very soft now, and I'm just going to go ahead and serve. You made this dessert in your house and serve with your friends and families. This is so easy to make and very delicious. I hope you guys find this video very interesting and very helpful. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, comment, and I will be seeing you all in my next one. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe and stay blessed. And to all my subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you. I really appreciate every one of you. I'll see you all. Bye.